Alrighty, at what point did you figure out that there was a fire going on in your building?
I woke up and then I heard my parents talking about the fire, so then I got up.
They woke you up?
Yeah. Our parents woke us up. We were sleeping in our rooms, and my mom, she ran outside because she heard a lot of noises, and she told it was a fire, so we all ran in.
Yeah.
As soon as they told you, what went through your heads?
First of all, I was really scared, and then when I ran out, a little bit of flame just hit me, like right here.
Oh wow! And what floor were you on?
We live in the first floor.
On the first floor?
Yeah.
I heard the fire was on the third floor?
It was on the third floor, yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Did you have to go through a window or a fire escape or anything like that?
No. We live in the first floor. We have a door right near the exit.
Oh, and you were closer towards the front or the back of the building?
We live in the back.
Oh, okay. So you did have to go through the hallways and such, right?
We went through a path that leads to the front of the building.
Oh, okay. Did you see anyone else injured or struggling through the smoke or the fire or anything like that?
No.
I saw this man who, he said he has like a lung transplant, some kind of transplant. And he said that he was having a hard time breathing.
Someone had trouble breathing?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you saw, or is your family fine as well?
Yeah.
Your parents?
My family's good, yeah.
They're here as well?
Yeah, they ran back inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so FDNY has allowed folks to go back in the building for now?
Yeah.
You know if you're going to be spending the night or not?
Yeah, they said, I heard someone said that the family that caused the fire, they said that they will be going to a shelter.
Oh, okay. You guys spoke to Red Cross and stuff?
I spoke to one of the firefighter that was next to me.
Oh, okay, that's good. And anything else you'd like to add? Anything I forgot to ask, or your experience of the fire?
Well, when I woke up, I got scared because this is my first fire, and then I had to wake up my siblings.
So I heard rumors about someone popping popcorn in the microwave. You heard anything about that?
No.
Okay. All right. And what's your name? First name, last name, and can you spell it?
My name is Joseph Romney. Josephroney.
Rachel Romney. Rachellromney.
Thank you very much, guys. Alright, sir, how did you know there was a fire? What was the first thing that happened?
First thing that happened, I was in my bed and my cousin comes in the room saying, oh, there's a fire, we need to get out. So
what went through your head when he told you? What
went through my head? I was cooking food at 2 a.m. so I thought I might have left the oven on actually. And so my first thought was, oh dang, I must have left the oven on. And so when I kind of figured out what was going on with the situation, I realized I didn't do it. And so we got down here, and there wasn't really many people out here at first. And then,
on your way down, did you see any smoke or flames or anything?
No, no smoke, no flames. And when I got out here outside, I saw the smoke coming out of the third floor, I believe it was.
And what floor are you on?
And we're on the second floor. Actually happened we were right under there to where it happened. So.
Did you see any other folks from the third floor come down as well?
Yeah, when I came out here, started seeing people from like the levels up top coming down, and actually started seeing some people trying to come out from the fire exit outside.
On the fire escapes?
Wow, fire escapes, and the firefighters want to let them.
And that's the fire escapes, the front-facing ones, right?
Right, correct.
Wow, okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Has anyone got rescued by firefighters or anything like that?
Not that I know of. I mean, I didn't see too many injuries from the outside looking in, but I don't know. There could be some cases that happen inside. Maybe people got injured and that I don't know of. But from the outside looking in, it seems like the firefighters handled it pretty well.
Have they told you anything about if you were able to go back in, or how many might be
I just heard that the level we're at, the room, the house, apartment, everything was soaked, so I don't know yet. So I guess when I go up there and
understand they're on scene.
Yeah, exactly. So I guess we'll see from there what happens.
And you mentioned you didn't see anyone injured outside.
Outside looking in, no injuries that I know of.
No one on a stretcher or anything like that?
No, I saw the stretcher being pulled out, but I haven't seen anyone. Haven't seen it being used.
And anything you'd like to add to what you said? Anything you might
I'm just glad, you know, everything looked okay and firefighters looked like they took care of business, came in and did their job, and thankfully it seems like no one severely got hurt and people did look to be very minimal. So.
Can you get your first and last name? Can you spell it?
Last name is Arbnor, A-R-B-N-O-R. Last name is Kelmendi, K-E-L-M-E-N-D-I.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We did get one more, so we're at 4. You have one more patient? Yeah, other than the people that we saw before. Right.
If it does you any good, you can film inside the apartment. Cuidado que coja video adentro del apartamento.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, coja.
Venga.
You do your thing.
There's a lot of water here. Wow.
¿Él puede entrar para allá?
And you said the water came from the ceiling right here, right? In the bathroom. Yeah, wow.
And also the living room as well.
Oh yeah, don't want my camera.